Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying components and motor torque so the mechanism will reliably move the latch. Once done, mount the motor near the lock area using a bracket that keeps the shaft aligned. Misalignment causes binding. Make sure to secure the motor driver and microcontroller on a stable surface to avoid vibration. You wire motor to driver, driver to microcontroller, and power last to prevent sparks. This sequence reduces damage risk and confirms each part functions before final assembly. You now focus on converting motor rotation into linear latch movement. Choose a gear or cam based on needed travel and torque. Once done, fit the coupling and test free movement to ensure no binding. Make sure to include limit switches or a current sense cutoff so the system knows end positions. You program the microcontroller to drive direction changes, include debounce for switches, and set a safety timeout to stop the motor if stalled. This prevents burned coils and preserves battery life. You complete installation by fastening the mechanism, routing cables with strain relief, and securing covers to prevent tampering. Once done, run multiple lock and unlock cycles while observing latch travel and motor temperature. Make sure to test with door weight and handle operation. If the motor stalls or behaves erratically, first check supply voltage under load, then inspect gearbox alignment and loose couplings, and finally verify limit switch wiring and code logic. This single troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.